What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I am Bearded Fortech. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button down here. I want to talk to you guys today about the ratchet that has saved my butt so many times. This is the quarter drive ZeroDrive Ratchet, and this thing has no gears. Listen, nothing. You can get into so many tight spaces with this, like I'm doing this primary and secondary radiator on this 2014 F450 Power Stroke, and there's a bolt right there. Let me turn my light on. Bolt right there. This thing makes it so easy. Helps if I have it going the right way, huh? Makes it so easy. It is effortless. Look at that. Turn it the right way. See how quiet that is? But it gets you into these tight spots where you're able to ratchet. No noise. It's so smooth. So smooth. I highly recommend that you guys get one of these. Now, this little guy is $149, and it was well worth the $149 that I paid for it. I use this thing every day, especially when I'm in tight spots, like right there on that corner, when I'm doing upper intakes. It's so smooth. The torque value on this is, I don't remember actually, but I'll post a picture of what the torque value looks like and what the inside looks like. It's all magnetic inside here. There's no gears. It does have a warranty on it, and I will leave a link in the description where you can get one of these. Best ratchet I've ever had. The 3H drive ratchet will be out hopefully in springtime. So if you guys have any questions, reach out. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.